Hello, guys and girls. My name is Francis Philemon, and welcome back to the Wolf Trading Guidance channel. So, pretty much today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use TradingView and how to analyze your charts using TradingView. So, there are many charting websites or charting softwares where you can analyze your charts, but a lot of professional traders and myself, we use TradingView because I think it's the best if you ask me, but there are many others. So pretty much on TradingView, what is TradingView? So TradingView is a website-based charting software that allows you to gain access to the FX market in its entirety. So TradingView has different packages. So you have like three packages. There's the yearly one, and I think it's 3 months, and then there's the quarter a year one. So I only know about the 3 months one, the first one, which is just the pro, which you pay like something like $14, which isn't really that much. But at this stage in your journey, I really don't think investing in a paid account may be necessary. But TradingView also provides a basic, the free one, the free version, which has all the basic needs, everything you need. So this is where you go to sign up. You go and sign in to sign up. So you put your email and everything here. So you can choose if you want to start a free trial, which is like for 30 days, where you have access to like everything that's in the pro version. So without further ado, let's just like get right into the video on how to set up your chart and how to use the equipment or the tools on the chart. So yeah, right here it's saying if you're only comparing a few charts. So here, this is the 30-day trial, the 30-day free trial. So I just remove this because we don't need that at the moment. So let's get right into it. The chart looks really messy, so I'm going to help you guys clean that up. So to remove the volume down here, you don't really need this, or maybe depending on your strategy, if you'd like to keep it on, you can keep it on, but I don't really use it. And here that you just see some ads pop up here. So this happens in the free version. In the paid version, there are no apps, there are no ads that pop up. So you can just come here and remove this. Just click there. And as I was saying, that you don't really need this whole thingy down here, so you pretty much just right click on it, and then you remove it. You see it's gone there. And then we'll clear up our chart. Now you can see the grid lines at the back. I don't really like them there. I want my chart to be really clean, so I just come here, right click again, and then you go all the way down to the bottom, and then you go on settings. Yeah, you go on settings. I'll just wait a little bit, and then you go on appearance, and then you come on vertical grid lines, which is here, vertical grid lines. So you just turn this into white because you have the white chart behind you there. Turn it into white so that they disappear and you don't see them anymore. And then you go on the horizontal grid lines, the horizontal one, and you also just go on white, and you just pull this backwards like that, and you see chart looks really clean. It's gone. So you've got the white chart, and there's also, this is how you change the color theme of your chart. So you come, you right click again, right click on your screen or on your mouse, and then there's the light and the dark. So this is the dark, this is the dark one. So since I put the lines in white, you can also just do that again to clean it up. You come on settings. After right clicking, you start by right clicking, and then you go to settings, and then you just go on the vertical grid lines. You turn this to black, and you just do the same procedure. And then you also go on horizontal, just go on black there. Notice they're gone like that. So you go on OK. So you see they're gone. I prefer the black chart, but you can choose whichever one you want. So now we've got all these things. Do we need them? No, we don't. So you just come here, take this down, make our chart cleaner like that. And now we've got all these cryptos. We don't trade these, or you can trade them, which I'm gonna make a video on how to trade these too. So comment down in the comment section if you want me to drop a video on how to how to trade Bitcoin, and you write or you write whatever on how to trade these. Sorry. So you just take this out, just come here, take that out, just clearing our chart, take this out, and I'll show you how to add them back here. Just take everything out, just take out this Tesla. These are stocks. If you also want me to drop a video on how to trade stocks, comment down in the section, in the comment section. If you want me to drop a video on how to trade that, just take out everything. So we just left with currencies here. So if you wanna add, this is now we're going on to our toolbox. So we always need a toolbox. So I'm gonna go down on how to add tools that you use for your trading to analyze your charts. So on this side, as you can see here, this is where we have our tools here on this side. So we start here making our toolbox. So we've got the trend line. Going to take this because it's really needed. So we need the trend line, we need the arrow, and we need the horizontal ray. We also need the horizontal line. What else do we need here? Okay, yeah, that's it from that. And do we need anything here? No. Let's get the brush here. We need the brush. Depending on what strategy you use, you can also get the rectangle. You can also add it to your toolbar. So as you see, every time I favor something or I add it on favorites, it's coming up on this toolbox right here, or toolbar. I don't know if you can see it, this one right here. I'm moving it around. So now let's get some, we got the text. You can add the text, or I prefer the call out, or you can add the bubble, whichever one you prefer to annotate where you leave your annotations. Right there, it's been added there. And now we want the long and short position, which is right here. Got the long and short position right there, and the forecast, which you use for your forecasting your price range. We got them right there. You add those to your toolbox. And what else do we need? Yeah, we got everything we need here. So now this is how, so if you want this, you can see the side where you got your watch list. You can easily take this, make this disappear by just clicking right here at the top right on that. It's gone, back, gone. So how to make your screen full screen to remove all these other thingies, the thingies down here. So you just come here, the top right corner on full screen mode, just click right there. Now you're in full screen. So to escape or to remove it off full screen, you can just click on escape, or you can just come to the top here, take your mouse here up here to the top, and then this comes down, and then you just click there, you go back to normal. And if you want to back test, no, sorry, before I get to back testing, so now time frames, to add time frames. So in Forex, as you heard last time, I talked about multi time frame analysis. So multi time frame analysis is pretty much where you move from the higher time frames going down to the lower time frames while analyzing, so that you get a clear picture of what's happening in the market. So multi time frame analysis, so now we add the time frames that we use. So I come here, right here. So I use the weekly. I said you can also start from the monthly, but I prefer to start from the weekly, so you can favor your weekly. I use the daily, use the 4 hours, so you're just favoring them, and I use the 1 hour and the 15 minutes right here. And you can see they pop up right here at the top right here. So you can just click on this, and then you go on the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, each candle right here, each candlestick on the weekly time frame represents 1 week of price action. So as you can see here, each candle on the weekly time frame represents 1 week of price action. So on the daily, same thing, each candlestick on the daily time frame represents 1 day of price action. Same thing on the 4 hour, each candlestick on the 4 hour represents each 4 hours of price action. So this is 4 hours, this is 4 hours On the 1 hour chart, the same thing. Each candlestick represents 1 hour of price action. Same on the 15 minutes. So I can show you a shorter way of how to get in between these time frames. So you can just type on your keyboard. So here I can just type 4H and then click enter. It will take me to the 4 hour time frame, and I can type if I want to go to the 1 hour time frame, I can just type 1H. It's gonna take me to the 1 hour time frame, just like that. So now, how to use what's this? How to add currency pairs. So going through different currency pairs. So you pretty much just come here. I click on gold. So I'm going to go to the gold market. It's showing me the gold market here. Gold spot. So it's gold over the USD. And then if I want to go in Euro USD, so if you want me to drop a video on the currency pairs and everything, how it works and stuff like that, just comment down in the comment section and I can drop a video on that. And then here we got Euro USD. We'll get to the Euro USD here. This is this pair, Euro USD, and then GBP USD, that's Great Britain pound over US dollar, and then Euro JPY here. So this is what we got on our watch list. So to add currency pairs on your watch list, so you can either click here on the adding, so you can add here, you just click on them here, you click on them on the side and they show up on your watch list, or you can do this, you can just type what you're looking for, like GBP USD. So you can just click, there's always a plus sign here, or you can just click on it here. So here it does not add to your watch list when you just type it like I did. So let me just show you again. I just typed GBP USD. So when you click on it here, it doesn't add. You just go to this, what's this, to this pair. It doesn't add to your watch list like that. It didn't go on my watch list, it just took me to the currency pairs chart. So I'll go back there just so I can explain something. So if I search GBP USD, so on the side here, as you can see, there's FXCM, Oanda, Forex.com. So these are different brokers. So on each of these brokers, price action might differ just a bit, or maybe just by a pip and stuff like that, because it's different brokers. So their spreads are different. So like this, you see, it's not really different, but it's just the same thing, but it's just the pips. So if you want me to drop a video on pips, also just comment down and we can do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if this video gets over 50 likes, I'll drop a video on how to use the tools that I just added in my toolbar or my toolbox here. I'm gonna drop a video on how to use these, so if we get 50 likes. So it's been Francis Philemon teaching you guys how to set up your trading view, signing out.